What's going on, everybody? This is your WOF Outlook and Discussion for Monday, April 10th, 2023. And before we get into today's video, I hope everyone is doing well, remaining positive, and as always, staying blessed. All right, you guys, taking a look at the surface map this morning, you can see we still have high pressure off the eastern seaboard here. Still have some cool weather across the northeast and stuff, but I promise you guys, we will be starting a warm up trend here across the United States. But as we take a look here, you can see across the Pacific Northwest here, across the Seattle, Portland, Oregon area, we still have, you guys, we still have this atmospheric river here going on with some, look like some wintry precipitation in the higher elevations. But for the most part, we're going to have some moisture continuing to move inland here, you guys, with a possible risk of some thunderstorms here across Washington State and Oregon, you guys. And as we move on down towards Florida, here across the peninsula, we have a chance for some thunderstorms today, you guys, as well. And then across parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, and Missouri, there is a thunderstorm threat with a marginal risk of severe weather here across parts of extreme North Texas, extending northeast across Oklahoma and into southern Kansas, you guys. And as we take a look at these probabilities here for convective outlook day one, you guys, there's no tornado risk, so that is good news. Hail probability, we do have a 5% hail risk here for parts of North Texas extending into Oklahoma and parts of southern Kansas, you guys. And wind threat, up not signature tornado, you guys, significant tornadoes. Wind threat, we do have a 5% wind threat as well. So we will be on the lookout for some hail and locally isolated strong gusty winds in this area again, you guys, for today. So if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to your Weather on the Fly as the Storm Prediction Center comes out with the updates. I have them right on the fly here in my shorts tab for you guys. And other than that, you guys, that's pretty much all the weather going on across the United States. Not really much going on, pretty quiet with high pressure and control. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the Gulf low, courtesy of Tropical Tibbetts, you guys. And this is the latest GFS here. And you can see this is valid for Tuesday morning. As we move this on out into time, you can see a broad low starts to develop off the mouth of the river. This is nothing tropical, you guys. This is just a regular Gulf low that's going to bring some clouds and a few showers and rain towards the Gulf Coast, towards the Gulf Coast states, you guys. It's not going to be anything, too significant of a tropical system. And as you can see, as this continues to disorganizedly move on inland, and up on out into the Georgia and Carolinas, giving them some weather by the weekend. But you can see this is not going to be anything too strong, just a little weak mess coming up in here, providing some clouds and rain here for the Gulf Coast. As we take a look at the European, you can see here at the 850 millibar vortice, you can see the European starts to develop this broad low here and moves it inland right along the south central, southeast Louisiana coast as it continues to eventually move on inland across southeast Louisiana and into southern Mississippi, you guys. And we're going to also take a look at the ICON model. And as you can see here as well, it agrees just about with the GFS and European. We're going to have some type of disorganized Gulf low move inland across the Louisiana coastline with some clouds and showers, potentially some heavy rainfall here across southeast Louisiana. But all in all, it's just going to bring some clouds and showers for the Gulf Coast, you guys. And as you can see, the European model, again, you can see by the time we get to overnight Tuesday into Wednesday morning, it starts to ramp up greatly as it moves towards our coastline, you guys. All right. And that's going to be it for this one, you guys. Not too much going on, so it wasn't really much to talk about. We're going to keep an eye out on this Gulf low. And again, be sure to share, like, and subscribe if you haven't done so you can stay up to date and weather aware here at your Weather on the Fly. Everyone be safe, be careful, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.